Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preheating a medium flame so the pan reaches an even temperature. This prevents sticking and gives consistent whites. Add 1/2 tablespoon oil or butter and let it shimmer but not smoke. While the fat warms, crack each egg into its own small bowl. This avoids broken yolks and makes sliding eggs into the pan controlled. Once the fat is ready, gently slide eggs in, spacing them so whites can spread without touching too much. You lower the heat to medium-low to let whites set slowly while keeping yolks runny. Quick high heat will toughen protein and overcook edges. If you want a silkier top, spoon hot fat over the whites for 30–45 seconds or place a lid for about a minute to steam set the surface. Make sure to check the whites near the yolk. Once they look opaque and slightly firm, but not rubbery, you're ready for the critical flip step that preserves yolk softness. You slide a thin spatula under one egg and in a confident single motion, lift and flip it over. This keeps the yolk intact. Let it cook on the flip side for 10 to 20 seconds. Short time equals over easy with a runny yolk. Once done, transfer to a plate and season. If the whites are still translucent after flipping, immediately cover the pan and reduce heat. Steam for 15–30 seconds to finish whites without hardening the yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.